Hi everyone, today I'm here to show you something I've been eagerly anticipating, the new SkinMedica HA5 Hydra Collagen Water Burst Moisturizer. Okay, so first impressions, this packaging is gorgeous. This is the first product to showcase SkinMedica's new look and feel. I mean, even the spatula looks luxury. Look at that. It has a unique gel cream consistency that I can already tell is going to feel amazing on my skin. What really caught my attention about this moisturizer is the HA5 Hydra Collagen technology. So basically it includes 5 different forms of hyaluronic acid, which we all know is great for hydration, plus a Hydra Collagen complex that works together to really lock in moisture and give your skin that plump, bouncy texture we're all looking for. This feels incredible, very refreshing. I can already tell how hydrated my skin is becoming. The thing that really sold me on trying this product is that it's clinically proven to boost hydration by up to 25% immediately after use, and that hydration can last up to 24 hours. In a clinical study, 90% of people said their natural skin looked dewy after 8 weeks of use with the entire HA5 Hydra Collagen regimen. And as a hyaluronic acid moisturizer from a reputable line like SkinMedica, it's actually on the more affordable side. This product also contains something called Microbiome barrier complex, which basically means it's helping to protect your skin's natural barrier and support a healthy microbiome. I love that it's not just about immediate hydration. It's helping the skin function better long term. My skin already looks so plump and dewy and feels soft and bouncy. I can see this fitting into my AM and PM regimen right after my treatments and serums. If you've been looking for a collagen moisturizer that gives you instant gratification but also improves your skin over time, I think this might be your new holy grail. Pick one up today at LovelySkin.com and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!